In this video, I am talking about how money works. How important is money in our life? If money is that important, why are government not printing enough money? What happens if everyone has money? How money works. Money is one of the most important aspects of modern society. It is a means of exchange that enables people to trade goods and services without the need for bartering. It has become so ingrained in our lives that we often take its importance for granted. Understanding how money works is essential for anyone who wants to navigate the complex world of finance. Money is simply a unit of account, a medium of exchange, and a store of value. It is a way of measuring the value of goods and services and exchanging them for other goods and services. In the early days of human civilization, money took many forms, including shells, beads, and precious metals. Today, money has taken on a more complex form, including banknotes, coins, and digital currencies. One of the most important functions of money is to act as a medium of exchange. When you purchase a product or service, you pay for it with money. This exchange is facilitated by financial intermediaries such as banks, which hold and transfer money between individuals and organizations. Money also serves as a store of value. This means that money can be saved and used at a later time. This function is facilitated by financial institutions such as banks, which offer savings accounts and other financial products that allow people to store their money and earn interest on their savings. For example, if you go to a store and purchase a product, the price of that product is denominated in a specific currency, such as the US dollar or the euro. One of the key factors that affects the value of money is inflation. Inflation occurs when the general level of prices for goods and services increases over time. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including an increase in the money supply, a decrease in the supply of goods and services, or an increase in demand for goods and services. Inflation erodes the purchasing power of money over time, which is why it is important for central banks to manage the money supply in a way that keeps inflation in check. Economic growth can also lead to increased productivity and efficiency, which can help offset the effects of inflation and support the value of money. How important is money in our life? It is often viewed as a measure of success and can provide opportunities for economic advancement and financial security. Having sufficient financial resources can lead to better access to healthcare, healthier food choices, and safer living conditions. IT allows individuals to travel, pursue hobbies, and spend time with loved ones. However, research has shown that, beyond a certain threshold of income, additional money does not necessarily lead to increased happiness. Money is an essential aspect of modern life, and it is necessary for fulfilling basic needs, pursuing education, personal development, starting and running a business, and coping with emergency situations. If money is that important, why are government not printing unlimited money? The reason for this is that the value of money is derived from its scarcity. When there is too much money in circulation, the value of the currency decreases, leading to higher prices for goods and services. This is known as inflation. This would cause the value of the currency to plummet, leading to hyperinflation. Hyperinflation occurs when the inflation rate reaches an extremely high level, typically over 50% per month. In such a scenario, the cost of goods and services would skyrocket, and people would lose faith in the currency. This would lead to a collapse of the economy. Printing money does not create wealth. It simply redistributes existing wealth. When the government prints money and distributes it to every citizen, the purchasing power of the currency decreases, and the value of people's savings and investments also decreases. The government cannot print an infinite amount of money and distribute it to every citizen because it simply redistributes existing wealth, leading to a decrease in people's purchasing power and a decrease in the standard of living. What happens if everyone has money? Money functions as a medium of exchange, a unit of account, and a store of value in the economy. If everyone had money, then it would no longer serve as a medium of exchange because there would be no need for exchange. People would have everything they need, and there would be no need to trade goods and services. The value of money is derived from its scarcity. If money were to become ubiquitous, it would lose its value. This is because the value of money is based on the supply and demand of the currency. If everyone had the same amount of money, the supply would be unlimited and the value would be close to zero. As a result, it would be impossible to use money as a store of value. In reality, this scenario is highly unlikely to occur. There are many factors that prevent everyone from having money. For one, the distribution of wealth in society is unequal, which means that some people have more money than others. Germany in the 1920s, Zimbabwe in the late 2000s, both printing unlimited amounts of money? Yes, governments have printed unlimited amounts of money, leading to hyperinflation and economic collapse. The hyperinflation in Germany in the 1920s, where the government printed large amounts of money to pay off war reparations, leading to a rapid increase in the money supply and hyperinflation. Prices of goods and services rose rapidly, and people had to carry large amounts of money just to buy basic necessities. The value of the German mark became almost worthless, and the economy collapsed, leading to widespread unemployment and social unrest. Zimbabwe in the late 2000s, where the government printed large amounts of money to finance government spending, leading to hyperinflation and economic collapse. Prices of goods and services rose rapidly, and people had to use wheelbarrows of cash just to buy basic necessities. The value of the Zimbabwean dollar became almost worthless, and the economy collapsed, leading to widespread poverty and social unrest. Has anyone tried printing enough money after Germany, Zimbabwe? While there have been cases of hyperinflation caused by the excessive printing of money, most countries have taken measures to prevent such situations from occurring again. The lessons learned from these experiences have led to more responsible and stable economic policies. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.